Would you trust a robot to pick your stocks? I do. Every month, I invest $1,000 into stocks chosen by this n8n workflow that I have built. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you how my AI hamster, yeah, I call it that, actually finds, checks, and ranks stocks for me. And if you stick till the end, I will give you my exact workflow. I will show you how you can set up the whole system to start screening stocks in under 2 minutes. So stick till the end. This is episode 2. In my first video on August 23rd, I shared this crazy idea. Now let's actually break it down, and don't worry, I'll explain it like you're my 10-year-old cousin. So let's keep it fun, simple, and maybe a little silly. Alright, here's how it works. Imagine a hamster running your stock picks. You type, "Hey hamster, find me 3 good NSE stocks." Something like that. And the hamster adjusts its tiny caps and says, "I will set some defaults first." So it sets things like minimum market cap, debt to equity ratios, maximum stock picks. Basically, it keeps the whole hamster world safe. Next, instead of panicking and Googling everything, it makes a mini plan using the planner agent. Most stuff like the PE ratios, debt, it handles directly. But if there is anything it needs to freshly fetch, something like news or filings, that is when it sends out robot minions to explore the internet, right? So that is what you see over here. Each minion gets a job ticket and it reports back into the notebook, the queue. That way, nothing gets forgotten. You can go grab yourself a coffee, and when you're done, the hamster still remembers everything. It stores everything in the queue. Now it calls its 3 buddies: the screener buddy, who finds stocks which institutions are buying into; the financial agent buddy, he checks if the numbers are fresh and healthy; and finally, the management research analyst buddy, who spies on the bosses, makes sure everything is fine and nothing's sketchy. Once everything is done, the hamster then gathers the notes, climbs on a stool like a little conductor, and announces, "Hey, this is your shortlist," with receipts, risks, rankings, and everything neatly wrapped up. So here's what I promised. I'm sharing the hamster starter pack. You will find the entire JSON in the GitHub link in the description below. You will find the exact prompts that I have used for all of my agents, the cube blueprint, so that you do not get stuck into endless loops. Yeah, it did take me some time to build this. So now let me show you how you can build the whole system in under 2 minutes. All you need to do is head over to the link provided in the description below, and you will get to this GitHub repository where I have the code for the screener. So this is a JSON file. All you need to do in order to get started is to copy this file. Click on the double box copy icon over here, copy raw file. Just click it and head over to your n8n dashboard. Now, I am using the cloud n8n, a 14-day trial. All I need to do over here is to click on the create workflow button, and then I simply need to press Command V on a Mac or Control V on a Windows to paste, and the entire workflow shall come up just like that. Okay, now there are 2 more configurations that you need to do. The first one is with the chat models. So if you double click on the chat model, you will have to set up your own OpenAI credentials. All you need to do is to generate an API key from OpenAI and put it over here, and that's it. You can refer the same OpenAI account in the other chat model as well. And finally, you have to mention a bearer token. So in the deep research, you need to go to bearer auth, click on the edit icon over here, and paste the same OpenAI API key which you just created. So you put it over here, and that's it. That's all you need to do to set up your workflow. Now you can simply go ahead and open the chat and trigger scan NASDAQ 100, and that's it. Your system will start screening your stock. Please do your own stock research before putting any money. So, if you find this interesting, in the next video I will be live investing $1,000 using stocks which have been picked by this workflow. So, hit the subscribe button and join me in this journey. Let's see if this hamster is smarter than most humans on the market floor. See you in the next video.